Hello everyone, this is Dr. Manoj Patidar, Assistant Professor, Department of Geology, Government College Manawar, Madhya Pradesh. Today I am going to discuss some of our work related to this COVID-19 pandemic. So this is the abstract for today's discussion. This is the methodology, and here you can see the alarming situation of COVID-19 pandemic, and until the discovery of true treatment or vaccine, I think the following three strategies should be explored. So this is the strategy number one. It is true that hyperinflammation is the reason and associated with the severity of this disease. But the depleted T cell and NK cell responses are also associated with this. Here, I think inclusion of IL-15 and IL-7 drug remedies might help. You can see Here you can see IL-15 controls each checkpoints of T cell development. During my PhD, I have modified this IL-15 to uh, gain its potential, therapeutic potential, and for this we have filed this patent. So inclusion of this interleukin-15 might be helpful. The second strategy the, uh, is to break the life cycle of SARS-CoV-2 virus, that is the virus of corona, by the combination of available drugs. Now, strategy 3 is very important. Here you can see these various natural compounds present in our daily diet might break or attenuate the virus and provide the unseen immunity, and this might be the reason why Indian COVID situation is far better than any other countries. During my PhD, we critically analyzed the malaria data and found that Indians are less susceptible to malaria than any other country. Although in India there is very high risk of endemicity, but we are getting less malaria. So here you can see these natural compounds might attenuate the parasite and provide immunity to malaria. Same here, I think in case of COVID-19, these compounds like quercetin, this inhibits the attachment of virus, inhibit translation, replication, and assembly formation, and many other compounds might attenuate or kill or break the life cycle of this virus and provide the immunity. Apart from this, I have also systematically evaluated the psychology of psychological impact of COVID-19 and found that um, apart from having many negative impact, some positive effect like family bonding and faith toward God has increased during this pandemic. Similarly, the implementation of online way of learning on higher education has also been evaluated by online surveys. In summary, Indian teacher might provide unseen method towards COVID-19. COVID-19 has a positive impact on people's psychology. Majority of the students do not prefer online education. These are the publication and the references for this study. We have published these three papers and other three are in queue. I am very thankful to Department of Higher Education, Government of MP, Principal at IQAC Head, Government College Manawar, and the organizing committee. Thank you. Thank you all.